Hey guys, in this video I will give you complete walkthrough of Breezeway. Alright, so let's begin with the video. Breezeway is a complete property management platform designed to simplify operations for short-term rental managers, hospitality teams, and vacation rental professionals. This tool brings together everything from task scheduling and team coordination to automated checklists, maintenance tracking, and even handling payments for cleaners and service providers. Whether you are managing a handful of properties or overseeing hundreds of units, Breezeway helps you stay organized, save valuable time, and consistently deliver a high-quality guest experience. If you are looking to improve your workflow and introduce automation into your property management process, this guide will walk you through everything you need to know. To begin, the first step is to visit the official Breezeway website. Once you arrive on the homepage, you will notice a login option in the top corner where you can access your account using your credentials. If you are new to the platform and want to try it out, you can request a demo by clicking on the appropriate option. This will take you to a form where you need to enter your details. After submitting the form, your request will be reviewed, and if approved, a member of the Breezeway team will reach out to provide access. In case your request is not approved, you can still explore the platform by navigating through the different sections available on the website to understand its features and capabilities. At the top of the homepage, you will find several main sections, such as Platform, Solutions, Integrations, Pricing, and Resources. These sections provide a comprehensive overview of what Breezeway offers. To get a better understanding of its functionality, start by exploring the Platform section. Here, you will find a range of tools designed to automate and streamline property management operations, including housekeeping and maintenance tasks. One of the core features is task scheduling. This allows you to automate daily operations, such as cleaning, inspections, and maintenance, by setting predefined rules and schedules. This ensures that tasks are assigned to the right person at the right time without manual intervention. Alongside this, there is a work coordination feature that enables seamless collaboration between internal teams and external service providers. With real-time updates and notifications, everyone involved stays informed and aligned. Another useful feature is the checklist system combined with the mobile app. You can create digital checklists for your staff, ensuring that all tasks are completed consistently and efficiently. Staff members can access these checklists through the mobile app, making it easier to track progress and maintain accountability. Breezeway also includes a maintenance software system. This feature allows you to create, assign, and monitor maintenance tasks with ease. You can automate repair workflows, ensuring that issues are resolved quickly and efficiently. This helps maintain property quality and reduces downtime. Then, there is Guest Verification section. This is a security and screening feature that allows property managers to verify the identity and credibility of guests before their stay. It is designed to reduce fraud, prevent risky bookings, and ensure that only trusted guests gain access to properties. Next is inventory tracking. This is another important component. With this feature, you can monitor supplies such as cleaning materials, linens, and repair tools across different properties. The system helps you manage stock levels, optimize restocking, and minimize waste by providing alerts when inventory runs low. When it comes to payments, Breezeway simplifies the process by allowing you to pay cleaners and service providers directly through the platform. This not only speeds up the payment process, but also provides better transparency and tracking for financial transactions. The platform also offers insights and reporting tools. These allow you to analyze property operations, evaluate team performance, and review task history. You can use these insights for quality control or share them with stakeholders to keep everyone informed. Next is Smart Locks section. The Smart Locks section in Breezeway is a feature area where property managers can monitor, control, and automate access to their properties using connected smart lock systems. It acts as a centralized control panel for managing all lock-related activities across multiple properties in real time. Housekeeping management is another key feature. Breezeway helps you organize cleaning schedules, assign tasks, and manage turnaround times efficiently. This is especially useful for vacation rental properties where quick turnovers are essential. In addition to operational tools, Breezeway focuses on enhancing the guest experience. First, we have the messaging section. It provides communication features that allow you to interact with guests through SMS or email. You can send arrival instructions, answer questions, and respond to issues in real time, ensuring a smooth experience for your guests. The platform also includes a guide feature, which allows you to create digital welcome books for your properties. These guides can include house rules, local recommendations, and important contact information, all accessible via mobile or web. This adds a personalized touch to the guest experience. Another helpful feature is the Assist function, which provides continuous support through automated responses and AI-powered messaging. This helps handle common guest inquiries quickly and efficiently without requiring constant manual input. Breezeway also offers upselling opportunities. You can provide additional services such as late checkouts, mid-stay cleaning, or local experiences. This not only enhances the guest experience but also helps increase your revenue. Moving on to the solutions section, Breezeway caters to different types of users. For vacation rental managers, it provides tools to automate cleaning schedules, manage guest communication, and maintain consistent property quality. For hotels and resorts, it supports efficient operations across housekeeping, maintenance, and front desk activities. Cleaners and service providers benefit from task assignments, checklists, and real-time updates, helping them perform their work more effectively. Then there is residential. Property managers can use Breezeway for routine maintenance, inspections, and tenant management. Even individual property owners can use the platform to manage tasks and maintain professional standards without needing a large team. For service apartments, Breezeway helps manage cleaning, restocking, and maintenance to ensure each unit is ready for guests at all times. In corporate housing, it assists with regular inspections, maintenance scheduling, and cleaning to maintain long-term guest satisfaction. Lastly, we have the host section. This is designed specifically for property owners, Airbnb hosts, and rental managers to manage and optimize their day-to-day hosting operations from one centralized place. It provides tools that help hosts automate tasks, coordinate teams, and maintain high-quality standards across their properties. Then there is integration section. The integration section allows you to connect Breezeway with other property management systems, such as Guesty, Hostaway, and Streamline. These integrations help improve efficiency by syncing data and automating workflows across platforms. You can also check the pricing of Breezeway, where users can view, understand, and choose the cost structure and plan that fits their property management needs. It explains how Breezeway charges for its services and what factors affect the overall cost. In the resources section, you will find additional materials such as blogs, case studies, testimonials, safety programs. These resources provide deeper insights into how Breezeway can be used effectively. One of the most valuable resources is the events and webinars section, where you can access expert-led sessions and learn from industry professionals. In conclusion, Breezeway is a powerful and user-friendly platform designed to simplify property management operations. It combines automation, communication, and data insights to help you manage properties more efficiently and deliver exceptional guest experiences. Whether you are handling a few properties or managing a large portfolio, this tool provides everything you need to stay organized and productive. And that's it. That was the whole walkthrough of Breezeway. So that's all for this video. See you in the next one. Thanks.